I'm being recorded, and I'm ready to start, so I'm going to click Next. And it looks like for this scavenger hunt task, I need to be talking through each of the tasks. So for example, I need to be saying things like I'm clicking on the home page, and I'm going here, or I'm doing this. That's how you can succeed or can successfully complete each of the tasks. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to read the following scenario. So you are enrolled in a business course that requires you to use a financial calculator, but you aren't quite sure how to use your financial calculator. Find the workshop on video 1, the basic setup, to help you in identifying how to set up your calculator. Okay, so now I want to pretty much figure out where the first places that I would look for how to find the workshop entitled Video 1, the Basic Setup, which is on financial calculators. And I need to make sure that when I click on things or when I want to go and do things within the site, I'm talking out loud essentially. Okay, so now I'm in the website. I'm going to start my scavenger hunt. So the first thing that I am noticing as I'm in this website is I'm seeing this menu, which seems to be helpful. There's a lot of different information on this menu, so I'm wondering if I can find anything here. There is a keyword that's kind of making me feel like I might need to click on workshops, because it does say in my instructions, my scenario, to find the workshop. So I'm guessing that I might have to click on workshop. So I'm going to go ahead and click on workshop.
Okay, hey guys, Natalie here. So I just wanted to kind of interject real quick and reinforce what I've just done on this website. So as I started the scavenger hunt, I was talking out loud and explaining the menu, scrolling, looking through the menu, and I was also talking out loud in identifying the workshop tab as well as the workshop keyword within the task. You're pretty much going to be exactly doing this as you go through the website. You're going to be talking out loud what you're thinking as you're moving through the website. It's as simple as that. But sometimes it can be challenging to remember to be talking out loud and explaining things as you work through them. But I hope that this is a helpful example in how you should go about doing that for this scavenger hunt. Let's keep moving on and look at a couple more areas in which I have talked out loud as I've been working through finding the particular workshop on financial calculators.
Okay, so after I've clicked on workshop, I am looking for information on the financial calculator, so I'm just kind of scrolling down on the page and seeing what I can find. It looks like there's events that I can join. Oh, okay, so now I've just come across this section on interactive workshops, and as I'm scanning through, I notice, ta-da, financial calculator. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that because I'm assuming that this will lead me towards some type of workshop. So after I click on that,
alright, I'm going to interject again. You'll notice that I said a keyword, assume. I'm letting the viewers know that I'm assuming that if I click on this button, it will take me to a place where I'll be able to find financial calculators. We want to hear about all of your assumptions, all of your ideas, and all of your preconceived notions as you're going through the website. I want to know what you think when you click on a button or you see something titled something, because what you think a word or a tab or a link might do might actually not be the case. So it's very important that you really share out loud your thoughts and what you think buttons or things will do as you're trying to use them. And that will really help us to better determine if the workshop or this website is working best for you or not, because ultimately at the end of the day we want this website to make most sense for you as a student. So I hope that this was helpful. We'll close up this this particular video by just highlighting my final steps in identifying where to find my particular task.
Looks like, oh, okay, something's loading on the page, and wow, it looks like right here, video 1, the basic setup. So I think I've successfully completed this task. After you complete the task, or what you believe is the completion of the task, then you're going to go ahead and rate how difficult you found if it was difficult or not, and then if the information on the page that you were asked to go to, so in my case it would be this financial calculator page, if this page is helpful to you as a student.
And it's as simple as that. You're just going to go ahead and rate if you found it easy or difficult to identify your task and complete your task. And then also, we'd really like feedback on if you as a student found the information on the page that you were tasked to find, if you found that helpful or not. And after you're finished, you'll complete your ratings, and then move on to the next task. There'll be 6 tasks that you need to complete in order to finish this activity. Once you're finished, you'll just easily upload the screencastify video in the text box at the very end of this Noyau Center scavenger hunt form, and then you're complete. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions or concerns or need any type of help in navigating through this scavenger hunt, please feel free to contact the Noyau Center, and we're happy to help you. Thanks.